Ano po ang kinalaman ng ICC dito sa ating pagdinig?
With all due respect, Honorable Senator Judge Robin Padilla, kagaya po ng nabanggit ko na, at marahil panglima ng banggit ng presiding officer, nabanggit po ang ICC, kaugnay ng affidavit ni Las Cañas, na ipirinisinta po ng prosecution bilang bahagi lamang ng testimonya ng witness at bilang bahagi ng naging investigasyon ng Special Task Force ng NBI.
Maraming salamat po.
Senator Judge Padilla will please wind up. You can
Opo.
avail of a second round if you wish.
Opo. Maraming salamat po. So, ibig pong sabihin, malinaw na kanina sinabi natin na
What is the
hindi
pressure
siya...
of, with the permission of Senator Judge and indulgence of Senator Judge Padilla, what is the pressure of Senator Judge Rafi Tulfo?
Walang mic. Kay Senator Padilla. Bakit pag sa kabila pinapayagan sila 5-10 minutes? Bakit pag sa amin, sa majority, kinakat agad ni remind pagdating ng 2 minutes? I think nakakalata na kami. So dapat pag sinabing 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Pag sa amin sa majority, pag 2 minutes, pinipindot nito. 2-3 beses. Totoo yan. Pero pag sa minority, umaabot na ng 5 minutes, 10 minutes. At meron akong record yan. Pinapayagan. Why? Thank you.
The comments of Senator Judge Rafi Tulfo is recognized. However, the chair would like to point out that in the impeachment court, there is no majority nor minority. We are all senator judges. And Senator Lacson earlier requested also an additional time to finish his point, which the chair allowed. That's why the chair reminded Senator Judge Padilla to wind up because his time already lapsed.
Kaya nga, Mr. Presiding Officer, I'm sorry, I do have a lot of respect in you. Yung sa akin lang, kahit na sino senador, kapag dating na ng 2 minutes, pinipindutan ng bell eh. Ako ilang beses na ako nang pindutan ng bell. Nakakairita eh. Samantalang yung iba, hindi pinipindutan ng bell, umabot pa ng 5 minutes. I'm not referring to anybody here now. Yun lang yun eh. Kaya nga kuminsan, binubulungan ko na nandiyan eh. Oy, pindutin mo na yung bell. Para naman makapagsalita yung iba. Yun lang po. Wala na akong tinutukoy dito. Dapat maging fair tayo. Yung sa nagpipindot ng bell. Pag sinabing 2 minutes regardless kahit na sinong senador yan. Thank you.
The clerk of court is instructed to kindly relate to the bell ringer to kindly be consistent in doing the polite reminder to the senator judges with respect to the time allotted.
Sir Presiding
Senator
Officer.
Judge
Yes.
Cayetano Alan.
No, I take the comments of Senator Tulfo in order. I respect your opinion, but just to put on record, as you said, Senator Lacson a while ago asked for more time, binigay. Walang bell yon. Yesterday, 2 bell sa akin. 2 o 3?
Dalawa lang ang bilang ko.
2 lang bilang mo. And maybe the solution is that after the first, isang bell na lang, pero kasi from the start of the impeachment trial, we asked the presiding officer at sabi mo nga, liberality, because then if we can't ask questions, baka magkaroon ng motion or mas lalong tatagal. Maybe you've been doing it naman, but yun nga, yung just ask to wrap up. But konting, we all want to get back to work. There's so much that we want to do. At least, wala ngang majority-minority, but at least wala ngang threat ng kaso sa majority eh. Kami magsalita dito, parang may sword sa aming nakatutok. So, konting pagbibigay din sa amin ng konting liberality din sa pagtatanong. Yes. But in accordance with the rules, tama naman po yung sinabi ni Senator Tulfo.
The presiding officer shall take in advisement the points raised by Senator Judge Rafi Tulfo as well as the point raised by Senator Judge Allen. And in that spirit, kindly wind up, Senator
Opo.
Judge Padilla.
Ginoong tagapamahalang hukom, nais ko lamang pong sagutin ang ating kaibigan na si Senator Rafi Tulfo. Sandali lang po. Kaibigan, mas mahaba kasi yung sagot ng ating prosecution. Ako po ay nagtatanong lamang ng oo ba o hindi. Opo. Pasensya na po. Opo.